My Facebook audience good, dog, and that is not good. Can't say them put over the need. I don't know you guys on YouTube. Hey, Celine, you know the style. China. who did do on Facebook this morning when me are going out with it? Queen, ice queen, boy. Them say from what day show me get woman me a go on with myself. I want to know. Yo, me a none on the left. Me a still on no man. You hear that? No chattings, no long talk. Una pretty forever. You hear that? I will never cheat on none of no man. Nah, ever left you brighty. When a gunman be. Hold up here and shoot you. Beg me for your life. Hey girl, you think you can left me? Yeah, are you me a talk? What you look around for? Me know say you watch me right now. I say, how pretty you talk to? Yo, pussy. Pussy, yo, me a talk. Me can't left. Pussy. Dear. When I left, I left. Babes, you know, say kind of. Oh, you know something I want to say? You know something I want to say for the life. What the fuck, you? When I answer private call, man. Babes, so you do on the live. How I'm to you, dog? The skull, man. How I'm to you? See, my woman, I got that was that she whooped my ass and everything. Babe, me a big man. Remember how we are talking a pretty to the D-O-N. Babes, from the day you know say me and the whole of them, me and the whole of them man. Me can't take, it's not like me can't withdraw from them. Me and them man, pretty is them man. What the fuck? They ask me, oh pretty am a man, what the fuck? What me I do? What me I say? Me and them man, how the bum buckler, boy. Boy, that's why me drink so. Me stress out. Jesus Christ, the amount of no me have to please. Jesus Christ, don't threaten me. Stop threatening. I'll be a threat and don't kill me. Whoa. Jesus, sweet and pretty. I put up behind them in a ear like so. Me a retreat. Bumbuckler, more the red flag, white flag. Bumbuckler. Me a bumbuckler tap out. Me done. Eh? Hey. Boy, I don't know what my cow do, you know, me not lie. Pussy clot. Hey. Somebody a call me from a private number. Who do that something that them a do it constantly, brother? Me know nobody call me from a private call, brother. What happened to you, brother? Dog call me from a private call, brother. Me not like it. You see me? Pussy clot. Help you? What here? Alright, today I'm a doctor field there. What's good? What the problem? Me can't fix it. What's up? No me have no man. How me block the private call him? Tell me. Cause iPhone me have and sometimes we go on like it pum bumba class stupid. Which one them find an 11-year-old girl rape? Don't tell me say a Jamaica. Tell me. I wish one. What day me put out a perpetrator, you know? What day me put out one name Walker, what time police catch him at Jamaica, you see? Right now Walker they are road a walk around at Jamaica right now. You see me I deal with pray this. When me put out walk out, them me done telling already, jungle justice, murder the boy. No one here, no one do that. You understand me? I did every day we are find one more little pitney rape, one more kill, one. Wow, no take for sister, we have to take up justice in our own, a bumbuckler and down at that. No justice, no down there, we have to put bumbuckler our foot down. You see me I deal with? Oh, I'm tear dog. Me know I hear about a man right now. What you hear me talk about pussy clout. Yo, brother, you hear me now? No what man in some joke one time, man. Oh, I'm telling you. When you can hear me talk about the youth, the man I bring lowest argument to man, brother. Oh, I'm telling you. When I go make the man them kill up the whole helicopter them down there so before we do something about it. When I say police them not help with that. I want to the youth. Every day is a different look of pitney. No love no dung of that, brother. At the offspring them, at them dead, brother. We need a moment of silence for Jamaica. This is Jamaica town now. One place where you have to give a moment of silence. One place where no love, no down there. Nobody no want to go down there. No. That's why me always tell people say, don't spend no money on the one bag of fuck with them are foreign and sitting. Save no money for the rainy day. Because you see rainy day out in the country. When down to get deport, go down there. At that time, rainy day, you know. God, you only see how people ball down there. That's why I make sure I humble myself, you know. And brace myself. I'm ready for down at that. You see me? Yeah, man. Save my one for that. Oh, I'm telling you, my friend, man. Down at that one light, my friend. Nobody not even want to get deep. Go down at that, my friend. My friend, people want to get deep. Go other island, that. My friend. That is not even a place. Yo, one time you was so gone. What people used to send them pitney for America if you go grow down there. That done. All of that done. Nobody no want to send for them pitney come down at that. Come do what? Come dead. I be a pitney on the fuck and kill down there. No paradise no that blood clot. Me no want to say one more advertisement. About paradise about you know. Me no want to say one more. On a lie. False blood clot advertisement them there. Cause no paradise no down at that. No paradise no down at that. That's a make believe blood clot paradise. But blood clot paradise. But paradise. No paradise no down at that. Wanna make people are turn for be one now. Nobody no glad for be one. Remember that bumbo clot. Nobody no glad for be a Jamaican. Bumbo clot. You know I hear me Yankee accent, bro. If you don't hear me, you don't hear a ounce of this in my ear. Because there's times when I go out and I don't want it. Say me I want now. Yeah, man. And no paradise and a pitney killer and pitney fucker. You know what I mean now? No? Suck on yourself. I be a Batman there Jamaica. I be a Batman there Jamaica. I be a Batman. Who know what's only 8 Batmans are the biggest Batman them. I pay a girl and lick a girl pitney no kill. If I start a year and I count too much girl and pitney dead. I wanna see. And that's what you know are, man. Nothing else but that. Pussy. None of you no bad down at that. You no pussy down at that. All of you need. You not going to talk about if you implement the death penalty. If? What if come from this? Who know if you have a bomb clot death penalty down at that and kill them? I want to give blood class civilians the right to murder them too. Because since you can't blood clot take up this in and give we power, make we fucking kill them for no. Give we the power. If we murder them and we not go to jail and none of that. Make we turn police down at that blood clot and murder them. Because we not play, we not joke. When I lock up them the kind of blood clot man, then I let them go for man like Mr. Walker them. Mr. Walker them for dead. I cut them for cut Mr. Walker throat. Them the kind of man they are like the one that will rape all like the little 11-year-old and I stab up him forget. If he does get stabbed so till him dead, no gunshot does stab him. What the blood clot do the dog? Brother, somebody tell me whatever no sister we have to do them blood clot sitting for ourselves. Mr. Me put out Mr. Walker to the public, then catch Mr. Walker and then put back Mr. Walker on road. All me telling us if you kill Mr. Walker and make police get Mr. Walker first. Now Mr. Walker there road, what they supposed to do? If you go find Mr. Walker and if you put on Mr. Walker, man. What did I say? So we have to take up that for ourselves. What is justice in Jamaica? None of it. Fuck on that talk about justice. Fuck on all this talk about left them to police and then bring them to justice, brother. I know when I see on the TV about every day for justice. We want justice. We want justice. Unnecessary justice not down there. Take justice for yourself. When I go continue have a man them want to kill on the pit them and fuck them. I walk around on the road. And them the time we not take a kill so much batty, man. We are live their own life and I fuck them one another batty. Jungle justice. My youth, I don't think so. I don't remember how slavery was, you know. Because you want to get in modern day slavery, you want to get into it good and fast. Remember, say we, the all hungry slave, they did have to get together and fight for our rights, you know. Remember that, you know. Kill out who we kill, you know. Remember that, you know. Right, you know, no sister, we new slave master them. We fi kill out, we fi kill out and rule the place. Jamaica not no order, so I could give it order. Kill out who fi kill. From once on the sister, a boy fi drop on the drop in blood clot. Stop with the unnecessary killing and drop boy. Drop boy we fi drop. Stop call police, cause them the slave master, them a idiot slave master. We as a hungry slave them, we have to kill them. I feel we pitney them and I feel we hungry slave pitney them. I feel we hungry slave pitney them. Them a fuck and kill, so. So we as a hungry slave them, we have to kill them. Who not call the slave master them for? They not help we. Remember, so we are just regular slave and them are master, you know. Notice if feed them pitney I get fuck and kill. I feel we pitney them I get fuck and kill, you know. The slave master them pitney I get fuck and kill. We as the hungry slave them I feel we pitney them I get fuck and kill. So we have to fucking kill them. You know, sister, they don't care about how we pitney them. But we not call police. No boy I walk up and down on the road. Cut him throat. Tab up him blood clot. Left him on a knife. I want to you know. Back in the days when Nanny then did they about police and soldier did they about too. But they stab up and kill them bumbo clad because they never did a whole no other. Now when they see them pussy wall and a whole no other and they stop and kill. When a blood clot now realize our slavery was in a same way, you know. The slave master they don't give a fuck about way. Are we hungry blood clot slave pitney them? Remember that. Feed them pitney they not get fuck and kill. No. Would ever see one politician come on the TV can tell us if he pitney get fuck and kill yet? When? When you never hear one police a ball about him pitney get fuck and kill? When? When you never hear them the people that come out in the media ball about them sitting there? Are we the hungry slave them? I feel with blood clad hungry slave pitney them alone get fuck and kill. So now we don't realize as hungry slave what we need for doing it. The people who are hurt to pitney them, we have to kill them. I don't like we are getting all that justice out of it. Not justice, not dead. Wanna do it so and see if they not find justice given. Anyway, justice did they put on, I bet your blood clot them find it. You hear what me I tell you? Me say, when you start implement them the kind of strategy there towards these child fuckers and child murderers, them are gonna make sure say if this turn them stomach to how we are deal with these people, them are gonna provide justice for it. I bet your blood clot. Eh? If they not giving a justice, make we go for. No justice one. If they not giving a justice, we go for it. Because we deserve it, right? From your report it and your sister not come out of it. One thing left you do. One thing left you do. Where one only for chatting for? Where one only for chatting for? We as a big population know so we don't like them things. Them go grow up and kill them. That's it, I saw you go. We could form a blood clot gang, one bad gang. This a gang here, I think murder them the kind of child fucker they are sitting. When we know say them the boy they do them sitting there, we just go murder them boy there. No call, no police, no nothing. We just know say, oh, alright, a showboat time. What the fuck do you know? How do you think so we did get for take off the chain them even though we still in a slavery? How do you think we get the chain them to come off? A war we have to war with pussy hole them. War we have to war them and cut some throat. And bust some shot. I want to you, my friend. If we want justice so we pitney them, we have to go for it. You know, sister, they not give it. Go for. Go, you can't sit down and watch them a fucking pitney them and a kill them, sir. That's a fuck pitney a go, sir. And a kill pitney a go, sir. We have to do something about it. If them not do it, make we do it. Then can't lock up the whole away. Remember that. Then can't lock up the whole away, youth. Make we start pray so. And see if the pussy then find justice give it. A justice we want you know, they must find it give it. Make we start things so make the whole away. Group up together thousands of we just group up and kill some pussy hole. Then can't lock up the whole away. All of we take a blood clot blow out time. They can't lock up the whole away. And we are all we have. Remember that bomb buckler, we're not a police, we're not a soldier. We are all we have. And we alone ball with that we pick them get fuck and kill. No police no ball with we. No politician no ball with we. No soldier no ball with we. And we alone a ball. Pussy clot there. Enough time we see some of them blood clot boy I walk free on the road like Mr. Walker. And we not do nothing about it. We are hush up him out. All of us get up together and murder them pussy hole here. And what do you know? We don't see other pitney a grow. Them are going to do it to other pitney and influence other pussy hole like him to come fuck with you them too. And we alone we have. Remember that. Me and you don't like see people a fuck pitney and a kill them. So make the whole of we group up together and form a blood clot. Make a form an organization. This organization is untouchable. Because we outnumber everybody. Remember that. We outnumber police, everybody. Politician, everybody. Stop blood clot vote. We not no pitney. The amount of loss they have sent me here, nobody not chop up Mr. Walker yet. Nobody not chop him up and kill him yet. You see me a deal with? You're not a fool, you know. I want to know. You go all on 30 and you go chop up him blood clot. You can't go to jail. Remember that. Fling some chopping and blood clot. You see me? Kill him blood clot slow. Whole 30-40 and I wanna beat and kill him blood clot. Every time when I put a chop or a blood clot stab on him, just remember, vision, he ain't go down in that little girl pants again. Imagine all the things them when you did a set to her in another video there. Imagine all of that. Every stab what you give him, just remember that. All when time in dead corpse, there's some no still stab him. Be a chop and stab. Give me a cloth. You can't tell me either. Hmm? Somebody like Mr. Walker, all you, me don't know how to get out of them pitney fucking here now. Me like grown woman with titty and pussy. You understand what I deal with? Me not like liquor blood clot pitney. You see me? How kind of liquor pitney fucking I go on? All me? I want to stab and a chop off of you. Me like adult pussy. Adult breasts. For suck off and squeeze. Just chop him and stab him. Just chop him and stab him. This nigga mice. You couldn't even call him a rat because he too pussy to be a rat, so him a mice. Oh, a man like that for your walk? We don't find him, man. How we alone we have? What did I say? Police let him go. Give away. Police give away him, you know. I give them, so me look on it now. Police give away Mr. Walk. So me could go deal with him now. I could go find Batman Walker.